Good morning everyone. Today we're going to learn about links and how to use them and for what we use them. Now if you noticed here we have an A, that is the default to make a link. Now if you click it, the link, a normal link, it goes on itself, like here. Now itself, and click again. If you make a target self, it goes again the same, so it means the default it's /self. If you want to have a new tab, we can tell him this in this link. I want it what we are seeing here, visit our website, is this part between the tag A, opening and closing, opening the words and closing. This one I already explained them, the slash and that. And we have, this is an external link with header. And now let's try this. There's an internal link because it's in the same folder. Now let's show another simple example. It's called book. Now what I'm going to show you is book. Okay, so what I wrote, the code is health and hash C4. Now C4 is ID C4. So if I click here, it goes, you see, to C4. Go back, zip, C10. If you see the C10, it has an ID. Remember when I said ID is good to have one, and this is one of the reasons why it's so, because look at now, if I copy this one and paste it here, there is another 10, but if I click it, goes to 10, it doesn't go here. Now how he's going to know which one is the correct one? By don't make two IDs, you make only one. So that one is another example. Now let's make another example, small one, that it is styling. If I go over it, yep, it changed, you see. When I go to click it now, it went to another page. If I go back, you see, it is different. Now what I'm going to say is there is the 4 types: link, after hover, it means when I go over it, it means underline. You see I wrote underline here and it comes with underline. Now when you visit is blue, and you notice it's blue, you don't see it green because before I showing you this one I clicked it, and that is the reason you're not seeing it green. Now I show you a different one that even you can make padding, centerize, color, background. If you notice, it's changing the background and everything. You can make it fancy how much you want. See? Now this one I'm not going over a lot because you are seeing the effect by your eyes. And the last thing that I'm going to show you, it's something simple but important. It's SEO. Now the SEO is this too. Now no index, when you do write reference, no index, it means you don't want this page. This is a little bit advanced for now if you are a basic person, but it's good to know about it. And when it is no index, you are telling to Google, listen, I don't want to show it in this page. I don't want to show it in Google. I don't want to show it in search engine. It's not that much we're going to use it a lot in the project because I wish to all the pages going to index it, but it's good to know about it. I don't want this page to Google find it, and you can do it. Now if example you are linking to another page that example is not your website, you can tell Google, listen, don't follow, this link, it's not mine, I am not saying this link is very good, I'm not 100% sure. And that one you can make it as a reference that you are not sure that it is good to know about it. Like example, you are linking to a website that you don't 100% trust it, or you are linking it to Amazon example, that you are putting some advertisement to it. You don't want to say to Google that your clients wants that link, you wanted your links to be more important. So like this, no follow, it's important to know about it. And that is just all the information gathering, but in the future, next episode mostly, we're going to start using all of this stuff in a real practice, so you can even learn in a real world example. Thank you for watching, see you next time.